and begin. The garage floor's arrived. It's looks quite good. Those are the strips, the ramp strips on the edge. It's all interlocked together. And we'll go for the checkered colour, so grey and black. The pallet. The side of the pallet said it weighed 340 kilos. So yeah, they brought it down, or they tried to bring it down with an 18-tonner, and they couldn't get it down here. So obviously, pickup truck helps. Pallet straight to the back of the pickup truck, drive it down. Game on. I've separated the black ones from the grey ones. These are going to go together there in that pattern. So, spin you around. The plan is, anything on wheels is coming out. So that should give me this half of the garage. And I'm going to start at the threshold there. And I'm going to start working my way back. And see how we get on. The weather's perfect, it's not windy, so the garage doors can be open. Just gotta wheel everything out and start here, work my way back. Reading through the instructions, it said the floor needs to be quite level, it needs to be swept out, you need to leave 1/2 inch to 1 inch gap around for expansion in case the sun gets on the tiles and they expand. And tap them together with a mallet. So there we go. So I've cleared half the garage out. I've put the threshold strip down. We've got one extra piece here, which I don't need. The plan is to put the threshold into there, and then I'm going to trim that down there and start putting the squares down. So a quick progress update. It's going down really easy, really well. The only thing I did have was here in this corner, and if you look at these edge strips, they have like a key there that locks in, so they have to go tile by tile and match the tiles there. So I cut one down thinking I'd just do a bit of an overlap, and it didn't go. It wouldn't lock in there because you have a square one on each joint. So I have a cut there where I incorrectly cut the tile. It has to fit square by square. I almost got it to the doorway would fit almost just basically 4 inches off the end of one of them strips, but I had to cut both ends of the strip to get it to fit right, leaving a good gap around the side. And it's going down a treat. I'll just show you. Put this one up here. Drop it in place. Because I'm old, my knees aren't too good. So getting up and down is something I don't really want to do. And I can just drop them in place and stand on the edges, and they just click down perfectly. The floor is slightly uneven, but they're taking up the with one hand, taking up the slack really well. Yeah, right, both hands. So you just place it down like that and just walk along the edge. No hammers needed. So really impressed with it. Quick look at the progress. Started at 10 o'clock by myself, and it's now 11 o'clock. So basically in 2 hours, taking my time, got it down like this. Obviously, I'm lucky to have a 2-poster van. I'm unlucky, I need to cut around this. Got a little bit of a recess in the wall there. So we're getting the main area down. And then basically, 2 hours, I've got the main area covered. I'll probably start bringing stuff in now. And then over the next few days, when I get the odd hour or so here and there, I'll start cutting and fitting tiles around all the edges, a corner at a time. So yeah, I like it. Should be a lot better to work in.